Hello! Guitar.
I'm in the final stages of prepping my guitar. I've got 11 coats of True Oil on it, and now I'm water sanding. And let me see if I can get the camera put where I need it. That ain't working. Wait a minute. Okay. I've got to a point where I'm water sanding between the coats of True Oil. It's 2000 grit sandpaper. I'm aiming for 14 coats. Hopefully after 14 coats it'll be done. If not, I'll go for 21. I'll try to keep it in multiples of 7 because 7 is a magic number. Here's the front. That's why it's a little dull, because I've been water sanding it a little bit. Water sanding gets rid of the bumps and the dust. Just about there. After through water sanding and putting the last couple of coats of True Oil, I'm gonna check and see if I can go ahead and use Johnson wax. Johnson wax, make it shine like a floor. I'm sorry, I don't know where to look. I don't know where my camera is. Oh, there you are.